In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Chartbook Future while examining the star Chartbook cost estimate for 2022 and then some, which by and large is very critical. If it's not too much trouble, in every practical sense, remember that you ought to in every practical sense believe this in any sort of other forecast tentatively, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Star Map Book. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the Star Map Book value expectation and answer questions in the event that Chartbook is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will Map Book generally succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will Star Map Book value rise or drop? We should rapidly truly toss a look at what Chartbook is and its to-date history. Chartbook value expectation for the following 90 days, which certainly is very critical. The exceptionally entire crypto world most certainly is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its untouched high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate expands. In opposition to prevalent thinking, financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into commonly more truly stable business sectors, which is very critical. Crypto in a real sense is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play and consequently the offer off, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Our algo still sees a some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year in an essentially significant manner. This is especially reflected in our 2022 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin actually needs to find a neighborhood base before we can move the other way and by and large alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the removed and later history, in spite of mainstream thinking. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and essential evaluation of each task. Essentials that we by and large assess explicitly are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. 2022-11-20, which is genuinely critical, plus 2.68% $0.0032 2022 1121, or so they thought. 5.53% $0.0029 2022 1122. 1.23% $0.0030 2022 1123. 6.35% $0.0029 2022 1124 in an unpretentious manner. 6.31% $0.0029 2022 1125. 7.05% $0.0029 2022 1126. 1.59% $0.0030 2022 1127 in an unpretentious manner. 1.71% $0.0030 2022 1128. 4.41% $0.0029 2022 1129. 1.40% $0.0030 2022 1130 in an unpretentious manner. 6.90% $0 Chartbook value expectation 2022. Most of specialists concur that this especially bear market will endure essentially for the primary quarter of 2022. Preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversion. Expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds likewise, which fundamentally is very critical. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022 deck. 20.11% $0.0025 2023 Jan in an unpretentious manner. 34.86% $0.0020 2023 Feb, which is genuinely critical. 27.05% $0.0023 2023 Blemish in a genuinely significant manner. 13.33% $0.0027 2023 APRA. 12.56% $0.0027 2023 May. 5.16% $0.0029 2023 June. Plus 0.03% $0.0031 2023 Jul. Plus 11.76% $0.0034 2023 Aug, or so they truly thought. plus 19.66% $0.0037 2023'S plus 26.51% $0.0039 2023 plus 29.40% $0.0040 2023 plus 42.50% $0 book value forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees chart book coming to $0 2025. What will chart book in a real sense be worth in 5 years? The cost of map book in 5 years could lie around $0 a sort of large manner. Star map book value expectation 2030 to 2040. What star chart book will especially be worth in 2030 in a significant manner? Our determining model sees star chart book coming to 1 cent in 2030 in a truly significant manner. What star chart book will be worth in 2040? Our gauging model sees star chart book coming to 3 cents in 2040 in a by and large huge manner. Will star chart book generally supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, star chart book won't supplant or by and large overwhelm BTC, which sort of is genuinely critical. Could star map book in every way that really matters reach $1? Indeed, star chart book could truly reach $1 toward 2025 incredibly zen. Will star map book for the most part reach $10? Indeed, kind of conceivable star chart book can reach $10 yet just in a separated future, after 2030 in an unpretentious way. Will star map book essentially reach $100? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for star map book to especially reach $100 in the short or midterm period, which in a real sense is very critical. Could star chart book reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for star chart book to reach $1,000 in the extremely short or midterm period in an unobtrusive manner. Is star chart book really worth purchasing in an unobtrusive manner? We are backers of respectably unsafe financial planning. Put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a crate of sort of enormous cap coins, and the rest in little tasks with gigantic potential gain. Thus, in this unique circumstance, star chart book explicitly is especially worth purchasing. Is star map book a fundamentally wise speculation, in opposition to mainstream thinking? Star map book is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, an unsafe speculation, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. It does have sort of higher likelihood of going up than down in light of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it, in spite of prevalent thinking. How much will star chart book for the most part be extremely worth in a sort of significant manner? For the transient future, it could reach $0, or so they thought. In the long haul, it could leap to 1 cent or significantly higher. For what reason will star map book explicitly succeed and get more expensive, which certainly is genuinely huge? Star chart book certainly has a great use case, very much planned tokenomics, in every way that really matters, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it, which by and large is genuinely huge. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees star chart book ascending to 1 cent in 2030.